So we all agree that in reality, we cannot control everything. We cannot control our spouses. We cannot control our children. We cannot control our jobs, our business, kung anong mangyayari dyan. We cannot control the health of our loved ones. And the reason why we get so frustrated is because we think we can. At kapag sinampal na tayo ng katotohanan na hindi natin kayang kontrolin, ayaw natin tanggapin. And this is a big problem if we don't realize that we really cannot control everything. We can only control ourselves. Our actions, our thoughts, our attitude, yun lang po ang kaya natin kontrolin. Pero sa lahat ng to na nasa labas, hindi natin yan kaya kontrolin. So, when we can't control things, when things don't go our way, when things don't go as planned, we become hopeless. Ayaw na natin. Pag hindi nangyari yung gusto ko, pag hindi nasunod yung plano ko, at nasira-sira na, nagulo-gulo na, nagka-problema na, all of a sudden we become hopeless. And when we are hopeless, a lot of negative things enter our minds. Agree po ba kayo?
Yes.
Pag may pinagdadaanan po tayong problema, parang mas malakas yung bulong ni Satanas sa isip natin. Lahat negative na yan. Wala nang magandang papasok sa isip natin. You know, and the worst thing there is that yung thoughts na yun, we believe it. We think it is true. And once we believe it, we feel it. And then, once we feel it, yung actions natin, dire-diretso na. Better na tayo sa buhay, nakasimangot na tayo palagi. When we see someone or a sister in Christ who is doing so well in life, we're not happy for them. Kasi bakit ako, wala ako dyan, mas mabait pa ako dyan. Tama po ba? Diba?